What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to make some Ramune Original ice cream rolls. Premium carbonated soft drink, naturally flavored. I have never had one of these. Sangria, I don't know if that's a flavor or whatnot, but let's try it. This thing has some special instructions or something. That didn't work. Oh, I see. This way? They have instructions on it. I guess I should have read it. There we go. A little ball, that's kind of cute. Alright guys, a little bit of cream. Hershey strawberry syrup. Alright guys, let's go ahead and give this a try here. It's pretty good. I like it. Nice and refreshing. Or not as sweet. Alright guys, well thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel and you guys have a good one.